Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. This video is originally airing Thanksgiving Day 2021. And yesterday I posted what we were going to have for Thanksgiving. I'll put a quick little picture up of the plate here. But this video is all about my dump cake. D-U-M-P, dump cake. And I make it in Crockpot and I just absolutely love it. It's super easy and I wanted to give it to you guys as an option maybe for dessert, because it has some sugar-free, some sugar-full. And anyway, hopefully you like it. If you want to try it, if you have any questions, definitely feel free to leave those in the comments. And y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see you in the next video.